Hello all, and this is Cody Weinman. Let's go over to the contour assignment. Contour is basically whether a note is unison, like this, that's unison, or like this. So this is contour right here. This is stagnant contour. This is what stagnant contour consists of, and it consists of unison notes. Unison just is the same note played over and over. It's the same note repeated. And this right here, this contour, is going up for a little bit and then going back down and then going up. This is melodic contour that consists of intervals. In this assignment that you're supposed to do for this particular segment, you're supposed to experiment with the contour and experiment with different things. And also, this is the final assignment for the class. So what you will do in this assignment is you'll not only go through stagnant contour, which are unison notes, which are the same notes repeated, up and down melodic contours. You'll also be doing, not only will you be doing that, you'll also be doing harmonies with homophony and polyphony. Polyphony is many different lines converging to make one harmony. And homophony again is one melody with supporting chords, supporting notes for chords underneath it that go in some of the same directions as the melody. Not always, but sometimes it's pretty cut and dried where the harmony is and where the melody is. So you have all these different things, plus dynamics, plus hairpins and crescendos and decrescendos. All of these different things are going to be in this project. That when you do the piano music, for example, you'll see different harmony just like this. Let me play it. Okay, let me play it again. That's part one of the piece. And there's harmony all throughout that. It's kind of homophonic. There's not a lot of polyphony on there. The only thing that's going crazy is the melody and the contour. But in the next part, what you'll see is this can harmonize the top part can harmonize with these. And then you could have different lines converging, like that's polyphonic. They're in harmony with each other, but they're moving really quickly. So you can have that, and you can have an ending pitch or an ending chord. And that's your ending chord right there. So it could be something fairly simple. It doesn't have to be too hard. In the next video, I will give you more of a solution to what the finished product will look like. And until then, stay tuned.